Yes, you're going to feel buried in literature, but it doesn't actually have to be that hard. If you're starting a new research project, here's exactly what you need to do first. Whether you're learning a new topic, writing a literature review or a proposal, or joining an existing project, it will be essential to get up to speed on these 3 pillars. I'll show you a shortcut to 1 and 2, but you're going to need to keep number 3 in mind throughout the whole process. And the real secret, you'll save hours by addressing all 3 with one single tool. 1. What is known? Get a comprehensive list of literature and understand what's out there. The OG way, search PubMed, Google Scholar, find reviews, comb through their references,
and those papers' references, and their references, and their references.
Shortcut, use an AI tool like SciSpace with dedicated agents. Think of them like specialized workers to do systematic literature reviews, or SLRs. Have your research question? Input it, asking for an SLR, and you're guided step by step through a fully customizable search. Here's what you get. 3,000 paper screened from multiple databases turns into a comprehensive report and reference list, broken down for you in a neat table that can be sorted however you want. Learning time, read the overview and orient yourself. To understand the relevance of your question, read the Relevance tab, Insights, or also TLDR and Conclusions. If you need details on relevant topics, explore more of the columns. You can add whatever you want, results, findings, or click into the full paper to look at the data yourself. Go as broad or deep as you need to get a lay of the land. I have a link below just for you so you could try it out.
You want it? You got it.
I also have discount codes for you. JNKIK, K-I-K, for 20% off the monthly plan, or JNKIK40 for 40% off the annual plan, which is best for savings and heavy usage.
So go save money and time, okay?
That's pillar 1. But here's what actually matters. Number 2, what is unknown? This could be harder to grasp because you're not looking for answers, you're looking for questions. SciSpace actually does its own research gap and limitation analysis and puts it right in that table. It identifies what's missing based on the paper discussions, what questions are still open. From the starting point, you want to dig through papers and see what experiments and research are truly missing in the field. Keep going until the holes are revealed. Usually, understanding the exact conclusions means you do need to check the experimental details carefully. That's your roadmap. But in order to know what research you can do, you first need to understand how is the research being done. Extract the methods, protocols, recent technology, and limitations in that tech. Most info is already in the table. Just add the columns. Keep these methods in mind as you read other sections. Once you know what methods exist and what's limited, you can actually propose something that's both novel and doable. Now that you have a complete framework for where we were and what you could do next, what can save you even more time is if you log all this information into a PowerPoint, which I talk about more in my presentation guide video here. I'll out, and I'll see you later.